we gonna try the other one. Okay, 30 seconds. Y'all, I tilted my head back. Y'all probably see me through this one. You see me? I tilted my head back and I put it right there on my lap. Let's see, I'm gonna pray for this one. Cause this one is something. It's something. It's something. It's up there. It's up there. Period. So I'm gonna show y'all this one. Y'all ready? Look, I'm gonna look in the mirror too still, but y'all ready? Tilt that head back up. See my head tilted? Okay, y'all. It's up though. It's up though. It's up. Okay. And my mascara, I'm gonna just go back in with it.
Hey, go back in, V. Let's go back in, V.
Get under there like that. Get under there. Boom. 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 Okay, y'all see that? And so let's see how my edges start out. Kind of nervous. I want to wand curl it. So this how it's turned out. Like I say, I still have to practice on my edges, but you know, since I already laid it like this, it's kind of, for me, hard to, I don't know. I had to figure it out, and that'll be a whole nother video. I know I sound like I'm out of breath. It's because I am out of breath. I just came upstairs, and them stairs be killing a nigga like I'm getting big. If y'all ain't noticed, my titties got all this weight in them. Like, I'm finna have to put my first video here, because where I go from this to this, hold on, y'all ain't seeing me, to this. So this is how it turned out. If y'all do like this, make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up. If y'all like the way this look turned out, make sure y'all comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification button to be notified. And y'all just stay tuned for another lit video.
On your side, but it's hard to do right. Don't pay them haters no mind. You can be what you like. Trying to lead us in the past, running for a new life.